use of it. So the process is very easy. You are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and you are going to see the site's dashboard. Once you are here, you're going to select the website that you want to visit the contact manager of it. So for example, I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on select and edit site. It will load up here the dashboard. So for today's video, we are going only to use the Wix dashboard and not the website itself. The Wix dashboard is going to be the control panel of that website. So we can manage here the content of the website and also the in and outs. Right there, as you can see on the left side of the screen, we're going to see this menu or this, as you can see, a control panel. So we are going to head over here and then we are going to see that we have customer and leads. We're going to click on it and we are going to see the contacts, forms and submissions, community, loyalty program, business email. So the first one is which is going to be contacts. This is the contact manager, as you can see. So we are going to see the contact list, the segments and create them. And also we can go ahead and set up everything and know about each one of the customers that we have. So you can create an email campaign from here to convert leads. You can get more contacts by creating, let's say here, some email campaigns. Turn on or turn these size visitors into members by adding a member area and a lot of suggestion in this platform. So in here, you're going to see the contacts that you have or the clients that you have that has been joining your website. Also, you can edit the contact, manage the role of the contact or the person that have been registered here, or create an invoice to them. So you can go ahead and click on create and create a contact manually or with the help of the AI, and also you can create a segment. So if you have some or a lot of contacts, you can go ahead and import them by a CSV file, or you can go ahead and export your contacts into a CSV file that will help you to get here at the clients or the contacts integrated into another store or a data analysis program. So for the other, as you can see here, actions, you can go ahead and set up some labels and add the label for that contact or the many contacts that you want. And that label is going to help you organize the contacts as you want. For example, you can set up the label of important here, for example, sleepy contacts or active contacts or members. So you can set the contacts as members, so they are going to use or join the member area into your website and get some features that are not going to be allowed for the free ones. So in here, so if you want to create a contact, you can go ahead and put up the first name, last name, email, or phone number, address, and also the label. So you can go ahead and categorize customers or contacted me or a lot of, let's say here, labels that you can add. So also you can go ahead and assign or put some of the contacts as a team member. So in here, let's say that we have this, as you can see, contact. We are going to edit it. So you can go ahead and add a label on here, also assign a task to it. So if you want to add something or manage the role of it, you can go ahead and click on manage the role, and then you're going to set up the role of that contact. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.